If you've ever used Cursor, Codex, or Claude Code, you find out that the agentic coding experience is super easy. All you have to do is download the app, choose a model, and then run. Unfortunately, local models do not have that same luxury until today. Akka is a local-first agnostic ADE that just works. Whether you plug in your runtime that you've already used, whether you're new and you want to use the built-in runtime that Akka provides, or you just want to choose the newest model that works best with your computer, Akka is built to make all of that simple and easy to use, whether it's choosing a model, downloading a model from HuggingFace, or even just choosing an agent, building an agent, and testing it out on your own to see if it works. Akka is built to streamline the whole entire process, and I hope you guys can enjoy it. In a minute, I'm going to showcase how Akka works. I'm going to use my own models that I personally favor, and I'm going to also use the agents that I've built that make sure that I can work locally and not be restricted by credits or running out of credits. So without further ado, let's go. As you guys can see, we have the Akka app open here, and on the top left, you see that the runtime is what we're using here, but there's also plenty of other runtimes that I have. I have the Ollama runtime here, which I use pretty often. I'm gonna open that up actually. And then you see here where in the model section, the model picker, I have all my runtimes, or I have all my models based off of my runtime. I can then press manage models, and then I have recommended models from Akka itself, or I can add models from HuggingFace. You can literally just type it in and see if there's a GGUF file, and then just import it essentially. Right now, searching Ornith because that's something that's famous, at least at this moment of recording. And you can see there's some that have 1 million downloads, and there's different types of models that you can browse from. But let's just use the ones that we have already downloaded because downloading it will take a longer time. So we have Gemma 4. I'm going to then bring in an agent. As you can see, I have a list of agents here. But just to showcase how easy bringing in an agent is, I have open code on my computer, and I'm just going to use that agent and bring that in. So I have open code here, as you can see. Press add agents, and voila, it just works. Right here, I have my execute mode on, which is essentially your task that you want your agent to do. Either it can be strategize, which is read only, or you can read and write, which is the execute mode here, or chat only. On the bottom left, you can see right here, there is the project that I'm working in, and then there's a new session here that I'm working in. I have a new session button here, so if you wanted to add a new session, you just press it, of course, and it works. On the top right, we have the preview pane where I can see my diffs, or I can even see my terminal here, and it can only open 2 at a time, so I don't see a reason why there should be more at this moment, but if you guys have suggestions, let me know. I also have the preview pane here where you can view your project through a browser within Akka. You can also press this button here, and it'll just open up this specific project index file in a different browser like Chrome if you needed to. So yeah, that is Akka. I'm gonna type in how many lines of code are in my project. I'm going to use my own personal agent that I've been using and I find works really well for me, which is Anya. And then I'm just gonna type in this. And I'm glad this came up. This is actually just a warning for people with limited hardware, just like myself, who have 16 gigs of RAM, as you can see here, where if I'm running more than one model, it'll just say, hey, are you sure you want to do this? Because it can crash your computer. Right now, I'm running a model that is in a background that is a cloud model, so I have no worries about this right now. As you can see, this Tencent one is running in the background, but I'm using this session right here, which is Gemma. So Tencent is on the open router runtime that I've been using, but I don't have to worry about that. And there we go, off to the races. So yeah, hopefully you guys can use Akka for yourself to test out its capabilities, and you can agentically code in natural language yourselves. I'm very glad and proud of this project so far, but if you have any qualms or anything that is not working, just let me know, or you can put in a pull request. It is open source and it's built in Rust, so just let me know how you guys think about this or what you guys think about this, and I'm super glad to hear from you guys, and hopefully looking forward to building with you guys. Peace.